Let's get this result. We have E equals mv squared all over 2. And we're told to make V the subject of the formula. Okay? We have to express V in terms of E, M, and 2. Right? And then we find the value of V when M equals 2 and E equals 64. So the first thing we have to do is to bring the question down the way it is, which is M E equals mv squared all over 2. Right? So we are told to express V in terms of E and M. For we to do that, we must put this in the same form. This is a fraction form. This one also have to be in fraction form. We make it over 1. Anything over 1 is itself. Then we cross and multiply. Right? We cross and multiply. When that is done, all we have now becomes mv squared. Mv squared times 1 will give us mb squared equals 2 times E will give us 2E. Okay? So we have 2E. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of V squared. Okay? Which is M. So we make this all over M. We also make this all over M. And then we simplify. This M and M we go. So we have V squared to be 2E all over M. Okay? Then what we do now, we are looking for the value for, we are told to make, we're told to make V the subject of the formula and not V squared. So what we do now is to find the square root of both sides. Find the square root of both sides. So we have this, square root of this, and then square root of this. So this one and this, we go with the square. So what we have V, the V now equals square root of 2E all over M. So we have expressed V in terms of M, E, and 2. So V now is 2E, square root of 2E all over M. That's the subject of the formula. Now V is standing as the subject. But the question is, for we to find the value of V when M is 2 and E is 64. So we have V now, V equal to square root of 2E all over M. And we are told that E or M equals 2 and V equals E is 64. E is 64. Okay? So we substitute. We have V now to be square root of 2 times 64. Okay? All over M is 2. M is 2. Okay? So this 2 and this 2 will go. What we have now becomes V equal to square root of 64. So V equal to square root of 8 times 8. 8 times 8. 8 times 8 will give you 64. And in square root, whenever a number comes 2 times, 1 becomes the answer. So the value of V is 8. And that is how it is simplified.